Construction work for over 2,000 bunkers is underway in civilian areas on war footing amid growing incidents of ceasefire violation by Pakistan along the border in India's Jammu and Kashmir province. In the latest incident on Tuesday, one personnel of India's border security force was killed in firing by Pakistan troops from across the border. Construction work for bunkers in border areas of northern Rajouri district is underway on war footing amid growing incidents of Pakistani troops targeting civilian areas along the line of control or LOC in India's Jammu and Kashmir province. For the past few weeks, Pakistani troops have repeatedly targeted Indian positions and civilian areas along the international border, leading to loss of life and property. In the recent incident on Tuesday, one personnel of India's border security force was killed due to Pakistan firing. Residents on Wednesday hope the bunkers will help prevent civilian casualties.
इस मोर्चे से बहुत फायदा लोगों को। जब भी कभी गोलाबारी होगी तो जहां छुपने की जगह हमारे पास और कोई सहारा ही नहीं है, चलो मोर्चा होगा तो हम सेफ है।
मेरी जुरिडिक्शन में 2002 इंडिविजुअल बंकर्स और 120 कम्युनिटी बंकर्स बनने जा रहे हैं। तो इंडिविजुअल बंकर्स तो नेचुरली लोगों के घरों के पास बन रहे हैं और तमाम जो बॉर्डर विलेजेस हैं हमारे उनमें बन रहे हैं।
Exchanges of sporadic fire are common along the de facto border despite a ceasefire pact signed in 2003. But the extent and intensity of the firing in the recent past is unusual. The year 2018 witnessed 2,936 ceasefire violations by Pakistani troops, the highest number in the last 15 years along the Indo-Pakistan border.